So folks, our trusty projector has stopped working and today I'm going to attempt to fix it. I think that has been the root cause of all of our problems. Hiya folks and welcome back to the show. You may remember when I originally fitted this projector in a different house to this house, and it's been going strong for a long time, but a couple of years ago it made a really loud banging noise, and I think it's just the bulb that's gone. And I've only just got round to having the time to actually take it down to try and sort it out, but I do miss it and I would really like to get this back up and running. Now I'm expecting this to be very dusty. Just to interject very briefly, if you're into the whole nerdy AV kind of hi-fi stuff and you're wondering how I get the signal to the projector from the amp and from the Xbox and also to the TV simultaneously, and how all of that works behind the scenes, do hit subscribe because I'm making a future video explaining all of that. I will put a link to it in the description and in the end card of this video as soon as that video is live. So, as predicted, it is very dusty. So I'll give it a quick clean up first before I make a start on this. I'm also going to be working on it the other way round, so it'll probably be useful to get this bracket off. It's just 3 screws. So this projector has been the hub of family entertainment for a long time. When the kids were young, we always had Saturday movie nights and we'd take it in turns picking what to watch. That meant me and Mrs. Mac could educate the kids on classics such as The Goonies, Contact and Back to the Future. We also spent countless hours on 4-player split-screen Minecraft. I'll try to find out the usage hours later on if I manage to get this fixed, but we must have watched well over 500 movies on this thing. Oh. That's a very rattly sound it's making. Why does it sound like the bulb's physically exploded? Okay, I guess this comes off. From what I've read, you have to take this protective bit of plastic off. Oh wow, there's broken glass all in here. Okay, how do you think this comes out? Must have to take that little screw out. Ooh, wow. Yep, that's exploded. I'm going to do my best to get all of the glass out of here and I'll show you the actual bulb in a minute. I think that's most of it. And get the nozzle of Henry in. While I've got it in bits, I'm going to try and give this fan a bit of a clean. I mean, it's not bad. I don't know if you can see, but it's a little bit dusty. So I'll give that all a bit of a clean as well. And then we'll work on putting it all back together. I mean, it's hard to show you, but that's pretty immaculate now, and I've got all of the kind of stray glass out of the bulb compartment. So this is mad. It's properly exploded. I don't know if you can hear if I rattle this next to my microphone. That's all broken glass inside here. I don't know if I can get the actual bulb itself out or not. Probably not easily. But wow, that is a catastrophic failure. So it's kind of broken at the back there, and on the other side you can't really see, but kind of right down in there it's broken. But I don't know if you can see, the whole kind of filament of the bulb is just kind of rattling around inside here. That is well and truly kaput, and if I understand it rightly, you just buy this whole thing as a new assembly, so I don't really need this anymore, but I will keep it until I've got the new one running, so I've got exactly the right model number and things. Yeah, it's time to do a bit of research as to what sort of bulb we need. So I had a bit of a browse around Amazon, and they were ranging in price from, 30 odd quid to nearly 100 quid. But a lot of even the more expensive ones weren't getting particularly good reviews. So I just went for this one here, £38.97, and hopefully it'll do the job. A couple of days later, and look at what has arrived. Very exciting. Let's see what is in here. It's all nicely packaged up. That'll do the job, I think. Looks exactly the same, even though the part number doesn't match exactly, but to me that looks absolutely identical. So let's hope for the best. Interestingly, this has that little screw already built into it, so I shouldn't need this one. So I'm going to very carefully take it out. Just a little bit fiddly getting that to line up on that end. The plug, and we'll just push that home firmly. I think that's in. Put the little handle down. Do up that screw. We'll pop our dust cover back on. Oh man, this isn't looking good. It worked very briefly, and as you can see, we're getting a test signal, fine. But I've tried this a few times now, and after a little while, after a couple of minutes, well, I'll show you what happens. But just to show you, the menu and everything works, so the projector's working absolutely fine. But I guarantee this is going to go off in a minute. Before it does, out of a matter of interest, how many hours did the old bulb have? It had 3,277 hours. Let's just see, can we reset that? Lamp settings, reset. Yeah, go for it. It's staying on longer this time. Ah, there it goes. So, I'm not sure if you can see, but the temp light has come on the projector, and in a minute it'll go off and the lamp light will come on. The thing is, I don't know if it's the bulb to blame or the projector itself, because as I say, it went bang. So yeah, this isn't looking good. Nope, this time it's coming back on without the lamp light coming on. Oh, there we go. Lamp light's just flashing. Oh no, downer. Okay, so I'm not giving up that easily. Basically, what I've ended up doing is I've gone into the secret admin service menu on this projector. In order to do that, what you have to do is press the menu button, and then you press the mode button and the source button at the same time. And you have to do that on the projector, not on the remote, as I found out. And that then brings up the secret menu. You don't really know you're in the secret menu, other than you've got a little number 1 in the top corner of your image. That little number 1 is a page number. You need to get onto page number 2, and that shows you a lot more useful information, including the fan speeds. And I found out from that fan number 3 isn't working. So I took the bulb out of the projector again, and I shook it upside down a lot, and a few more bits of glass fell out. Now, I thought that might have been glass that was jammed in the fan, so I tried the projector again and it still didn't work. So really we've got two possibilities here. Either there's still glass jammed in the fan, that's kind of my fingers crossed option, or there was glass jammed in the fan and because of that it's burnt the fan out and it needs a new fan. There's 4 fans in this and it's fan number 3 that is broken. So, man, how many times have I taken the bulb out of this thing? And by the way, fan number 3, yeah, it's really hard to see, but that's the inlet kind of duct for it there. So there's no way of getting to it at all. The whole projector needs to come to bits. So yeah, let's do that. And there, ladies and gents, is fan number 3. This little kind of centrifugal tubery. Let's see if we can get it out. I have no idea if that's even holding it in. Ooh dear. Well, it's making grinding noises, so that's not a good start. Let's see what we can do. Oh dear, look at the state of the poor thing. I mean, apart from all the dust that's in it, there's definitely something rattling about in there. Oh, I can feel it, look. It's completely jammed. There it is. Oh my word. I think that has been the root cause of all of our problems. Is there anything else in it? Don't think so. Oh, and the fan spins now. Look. I mean, it needs a good clean out. But, oh man, that might be it. I'll add that to my collection of glass. That's a bit of an improvement. Looks like brand new. Spot on. Let's put it all back together and fingers crossed the motor in this fan hasn't burnt out. come on, wish me luck. It's powering up, folks. That's a good sign. Let's turn the lights off. We have got a no signal indication. Let's go into the secret menu. Nerd. On to page 2. Press enter. Oh yes, what have we got here? Fan speed 3. 3,488 RPM. We are done. We are up and running. Let's do a quick test signal. Yeah, that all looks good. It's pretty in focus. I need someone in the room with us to help focus it. But yeah, let's feed it a signal and give it one last test. Right. HDMI 1. Test signal off. Amp on. Xbox on. Fingers crossed. Oh, what have we got here? What just happens to be on the Xbox? Let's give it a try, see what happens. So folks, last time we had a look at a budget hotel to see how things are done in terms of low maintenance. It works! Sorry, the room's not very dark. Newcastle Quayside. Folks, we are up and running. Oh my word. I forgot how good this projector is. I'm so glad I've managed to fix it. Anyway, folks, let me just put the lights on and turn the volume down a minute. Folks, if you're new to the channel, do me a massive favour and hit that subscribe button because I'm trying to push towards 500,000 subscribers. We're a bit of a way off at the minute, but you know, hopefully it won't be too long. If you'd like to know more about this AV kind of setup in general and how I managed to get the signal from like the Xbox to the projector and also get it to the TV at the same time, and how all of that kind of geeky, nerdy AV wiring stuff works, I am going to make a separate video about that. Once I've made that video, it will be linked to either like somewhere on the screen or in the description. For now, folks, as per usual, look after one another, be nice to each other. We shall see you next time. Tatty bye.